Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 sounds like a jet engine and shuts down unexpectedly during gameplay, you are not alone. This issue typically arises due to overheating caused by dust accumulation or a failing cooling system. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more severe damage, potentially rendering your console unusable. To tackle this problem effectively, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a T8 security screwdriver, some isopropyl alcohol, a soft brush, and a can of compressed air. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is turned off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the base of the console. Gently slide the cover off, being careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the cover is off, you'll be able to see the internal components. The likely culprit for the jet engine noise is the fan or the heat sink. Locate the fan. It's usually situated towards the back of the console. If it appears dusty or obstructed, use your can of compressed air to blow away any debris. If the fan is not spinning freely or is noisy even after cleaning, it may need replacing. To do this, disconnect the cables attached to the fan, taking note of where they connect for reassembly. Remove the screws holding the fan in place with your T8 screwdriver, and gently lift it out. Replace it with a new fan, making sure it fits snugly, and reconnect the cables as they were. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, replace the cover by sliding it on securely and screw it back into position. Finally, plug in your PS5 and turn it on to ensure everything is working smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean your console regularly and keep it in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.